Hey, from 11 Garage, a couple people asked me to do a little bit more on ZX7s because they say I'm in ZX7 Heaven. They do not understand how much work these things are to keep going. But it's all good. You guys know Orange Crush. It's odd that it's a hard color to find, but we found two in the same week. One came from New Jersey, Orange Crush. It's a one owner, and the other one is Tangerine Dream. It came from California. It's great to have both of them. The Orange Crush has black wheels and the other one has orange wheels. This is Aria. This is Ivy, which we have in the queue, if you will, to replace the fuel filter and fuel pump. We think it's a little weak. It's a little pukey when you get on it, and that's where we're going to start. If not, then we'll have to replace or rebuild the carburetors. And then, of course, you guys know Mica, Evelyn, Ziggy, Tangerine Dream, orange wheels. I'm a big fan. I wouldn't have done that, but I'm going to leave them. I like it. Sophia, and you guys seen videos on Lily here. Everybody seems to like Lily. Everyone seems to like these exhaust systems. This muffler is great. I love it. This is a great bike. I think it's missing some decals. We need to get it to be OEM correct, if you will, and these need to be changed out. This is Elenore. This is only our model we have, and it needs rebuilt. It really needs restored, and we're looking forward to doing it. It just takes time. We need to find a matching wheel, and I'm sure that you guys will all help us find it. You guys have been very helpful, very positive, and it's been fun to talk to everybody. Well, that's our ZX7s in here. The rest of them really don't run. I need to restore them. So it's going to take some time. So I promised I'd do a real short video on the ZX7s in the garage. And that's pretty much it, except, I'm sorry, I forgot to. Well, Susie, you guys know, 90 ZX7. This, of course, is Kacey, 89 ZX7. Catalina, 89 ZX7. And then Layla, and then that one over there is Violet. So Violet's a 1999. It's getting to the point where the carburetor needs rebuilt on her too, so we'll get to do that soon. And Layla needs a battery. All right, that's it. I gotta go get to work. Take care, guys. Thanks for the request of the video, and I hope that's exactly what you wanted. If you have any questions or comments on which bike you like the most, let me know. We'll try to do a video on just that bike. All right, later. Bye.